Tweet, tweet, play tweet.
Katie, why don't you tell her what color the bird is?
What?
Tell her what color the bird is.
The bird is red.
And what do birds do? Tell Rowena what birds do.
Rowena, birds fly in this car. She don't like it. Oh, what is this called? Duck, 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 duck.
Can you give her a kiss?
Mom!
What?
Here we go.
Should I pick her up? Okay.